Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel Super Style. So a lot of you have been asking me about how to wear sunscreen with makeup. In today's video, I'm going to show you just that. I'm going to show you what my current routine looks like. Now, very recently I discovered Garnier Super UV Invisible Air Mist Sunscreen, and this sunscreen has been such a game changer for me, guys. It's such a great discovery, especially when you want to wear your sunscreen with makeup. In today's video, I'll tell you why and how to actually use this. But before we get into all of that, let's talk about the basics. Why do we need to wear a sunscreen? Now, sun damage can be extremely bad for your skin. It can cause dark spots, hyperpigmentation, UV damage, skin aging. In fact, for that matter, if I open the weather app on my phone, do you see the UV index for today? Yes, guys, in a country like India, that makes it all the more important to start wearing sunscreen. If you're not doing that already, please wear a sunscreen. It's very important to protect your skin against sun damage. Now, whenever you're looking for a sunscreen, make sure you look for a sunscreen with SPF 50. More than this is not required. Less than this is not going to be very effective. So SPF 50 is the right number to look for. And P8 triple plus, more than triple plus is even better. And that's exactly the reason why I love this Garnier sunscreen so much. It ticks both the right boxes. It contains SPF 50 and PA with 4 plus. That's the highest level of sun protection I can get for my skin. It gives me complete UVA and UV protection, so I know my skin is well taken care of. In fact, let me show you this sunscreen up close once again. It contains vitamin C, which corrects the dark spots. So yes, sun protection with skincare. What else could you ask for? I love how it's a lightweight, non-sticky, non-greasy formula. It feels absolutely weightless on the skin, zero white cast, and so easy to apply. Apply anytime, anywhere. So lately I've been wearing the sunscreen a lot, especially like I just said, when I want to layer it up with my makeup. When I'm wearing my foundation, concealer, blush, you don't want too many layers, right? Because the sunscreen sits so naturally on the skin, feels so weightless, so light. It's just the perfect thing to use when you want to wear your makeup with sunscreen. So let me talk about how I like to use it. Like with any sunscreen, always apply your sunscreen 15 to 30 minutes before stepping out. That's what I do. And obviously I like to apply this on my clean skin, so I first cleanse in my skin and I apply my regular serum. And just holding it about 15 centimeters away from my face, I will spritz it on my skin. It takes barely any time to settle at all, and post this I can apply my makeup as usual. And in order to reapply the sunscreen over makeup, just repeat the same process. Personally, I like to reapply my sunscreen every 2 hours. Just hold it about 15 centimeters away from your face and spritz it. It settles down gently without disturbing my makeup. I think that is absolutely amazing. So yes guys, that's how I apply my sunscreen with makeup. Before makeup, after makeup. As you can see, the process is very easy. It's non-complicated, doesn't disturb my makeup. It sits naturally, very easy. It's just the best thing to have around. So if you want to check out this sunscreen for yourself and keep it handy like I do, I'll put the link down in the description box below. In case you have any queries, anything to share, please share them with me in the comment section below. I love hearing from you guys. Also, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to this channel, turn the bell icon for notifications, and keep coming back to Super Style for more. This is me, Prachi, signing off now. Bye bye.